LA traffic got you down? There's a cure for that. It has wheels, a bed, and can take you anywhere hotels can't. Let's find your perfect escape rig. Picking the right RV is like choosing hiking trails. It's all about matching your experience level with your sense of adventure. Class Cs are the sweet spot for newbies. Not too big, not too small, and forgiving when you forget to signal. Trust me, everyone has first-timer questions, but once you hit the road, you'll wonder why you spent so many weekends on the couch. Get that walkthrough when you pick up. Yeah, learning about sewage tanks isn't Instagram-worthy, but neither is calling your owner at midnight asking which button makes the toilet flush. Record it on your phone. Future you will be grateful. And if something breaks, that's what free roadside assistance is for. You keep making s'mores, Outdoorsy will handle the rest. Traveling as a couple? Class B vans, like this beauty, fit in regular parking spaces. Revolutionary, I know. Got kids? Class Cs have that overcab bunk they'll fight over but secretly love. Want luxury? Class As bring your entire house minus the mortgage payments. Whatever moves you, Outdoorsy's got it. Leave it all behind, except snacks. Always bring snacks. If you're sticking close to home, LA is packed with urban escapes and outdoor gems. From Griffith Park hikes and sunset views along the Pacific Coast Highway to iconic Hollywood views and street food adventures on Venice Beach or Santa Monica Pier. Feeling a little more adventurous? With Outdoorsy, you're free to roam. Just a few hours from LA, Joshua Tree, where the stars are better than any celebrity home tour. Malibu beaches without the $500 hotel price tag, or Sierra Mountains where no service becomes your favorite notification. Pack like you're being charged per item. Your RV isn't Mary Poppins' bag, though you'll be shocked what fits in those storage compartments. And remember, rain just means you finally have time for that card game that always ends in friendly accusations of cheating. That's the beauty of RV life. Some of our best stories start with, "So then we took this wrong turn." Find out what moves you at Outdoorsy.com. The open road is calling, and it's way more fun than your inbox.